Time is of the essence. Bob needs to survive. Oh, good job.
Someone else gotta do what I gotta do.
All right, you guys did a good job. I'm proud of you guys.
1, 2, 3, roll. Good. And 1, 2, 3, come down. Okay, good. Now we can start our assessment. Now I can breathe.
Who can roll the map? Zuri! You can't roll it like that. Who won? Oh, congratulations! You cannot roll it like that. Let's go, Team 2! Oh! The code! You gotta pick up the code! Okay guys, let me show you my little garden that I have. So this is the money tree.